So I'm going to help you get this thing running. What is affiliate marketing? Many of you may know what is affiliate marketing, but for those who don't know, affiliate marketing is selling someone else's product or service, and you receive a portion of the money for each sale you make. On the other hand, the owner keep the other portion for his or herself. The portion of the money you receive is known as commission, and commission rates are based exactly on the type products and the cost of the products also. So in affiliate marketing, collecting commission is depending on whether it's a digital product or physical product. Now, for physical product, you can range in commission from 1 to let's say 25 or 30%. Meanwhile, on the digital hand, you can range from anywhere from let's say 10 to 90% within commission. So, for example, you could sell a matchash on Amazon and possibly receive a 3% commission. And it's for you to receive that money that we may possible. We gotta really look at the price for the product based on the commission you receive in order for you to know what amount you will be collecting for each sale. On the hand of digital product, you can receive anywhere from let's say 10 to 90%, and you could have a digital course possible for $1,000. Your commission is 50%, which is 500 you would receive for each sale. So you gotta think of it. If you are comfortable selling physical product, that's okay. It's your decision because physical product you can touch, you can show people the experience of it. On the other hand, with digital product, you got to open it up and show inside what are there for people and how they can benefit their life, how you can make their life become easier, what you can do to help them solve their problem. But within affiliate marketing, you don't need customer service, you don't need an inventory for you to store anything, and you don't need a product or some form of service that you got to own. You just sell other people's product and you pocket the remaining. So affiliate marketing is a very nice place for you to start, especially to the point where it's a low startup costs, or to say no startup costs, because what you receive in this course, you won't have to spend anything. You're getting all tools free, and everything that you're receiving right now is free for you to start. All you need is to have a phone, which I know possibly you're watching this on your phone or your laptop, your desktop computer, or wherever you're watching it, right? It could be on a tablet. All you need is those things with an internet connection for you to start make money. And on the other hand, all you need is to find an audience that is interested in the product or service, and you promote that product to that set of audience. Send them then to the product in order to drive sale. Once you create the sale, you made the commission. That's all is needed in affiliate marketing. There are many niche for you to jump in, but the good thing is that you only need one niche, right? Guys, you gotta start with just one niche and done it very well. Because if you're gonna jump into several different niches, you're gonna confuse your audience and you won't make any sale there, or you won't make enough out of your business because it would seem contrary. Oh, today I'm dealing with gardening, tomorrow I'm dealing with health. Well, it could be, but let's say you're dealing with business on the other hand. Oh, I don't know exactly what are you promoting. That's what your audience going to look. You're going to say, I don't know exactly what you are doing. You can pick a niche that you love and know about very well so you can share a lot of info with your audience. But it's not all the while things that you know or love make you the most money. If you're going to think of to say you want the most out of affiliate marketing, and if your most is with money, then you got to really understand, you got to really go into where the money is. Now, why I say this because evergreen niche are always wealth, health, and relationship. And if you pick outside of there, you will not really have such an evergreen as much as AI been taking over everything right now. You gotta really place yourself into evergreen eras. Again, you can pick a niche that you don't know about and decide to learn the necessary stuff that will get your audience going and get you enough audience to make sale. And so your audience will grow with the more information that you can share with them. Now, let's talk about affiliate product for you to sell. There are many affiliate network and program out there for you to find products and service and make commission. However, you need to pick one niche. As I mentioned it before, one niche. And within that one niche, you need two or three products. Could be possible four. Do not move from the four. It's better to be three at first. So you're going to start promote these products to your prospects and for your prospects to become a customer. Now, reason why I say two or three product is because you want to make sure that these product is what you're going to keep promote to your prospects for an entire month. You don't want to jump from one product to the other product to another and another and keep confusing your audience. You need to let this sink in or to say resonate with your audience for them to really understand that listen, this is what I found interested and I want to share with you. I want you to get a wide view of understanding on this product or service, right? So you just try and even sending out emails, you gotta make sure that you send at least 12. So anywhere from 7 to possible 14 emails of the same one product you're gonna send for an entire time. This is every day for say 12 to 14 days. You're gonna send email about the one product. Email in different terms of information for your prospect to understand that this is what is there. So you got not going to really go into the features that much, but the benefits and how this product can help that very prospect or to say the subscribers. So anywhere from 7 to 14 days, or to say 7 to 12. Don't be too salesy that every day you gotta really send an email wanting your prospects to just buy, 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 buy. You cannot be too salesy within that era. You gotta really show them that you're there to help them. The next part is the audience is where the commission comes in for you. You need to help them with their problem. That's what you're there for. Once you help them with the problem, money will come in. The commission will be there for you. You need to be the one that they run to for help because you're there helping to help them get results. So you're there definitely to help along the way. So you want them to make sure they get results, get things as they look forward for, right? So you will be the one they keep running to. And so you help to build a loyal subscribers or to say audience because you are always helping solving their problem, the issues, and giving them results in many different. So I'm going to help you get this thing running, and in a very simple way: keeper, offer, sales. Just the three step: keeper, offer, sales. Once you get people in to the offer, then from the offer to the sales, and this is how I'm going to help you along the way, help you with the traffic and everything else that I can deal with. I'm just going to make sure I get this thing out for you to start.